Okay, perfect timing. The oven is ready. Welcome back to my kitchen. Let's get this cake together. I'm gonna make an orange cake. Orange cake. I got my pan ready. I sprayed it already with my pan or whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's get this going. So, let's put 1.5 cups of sugar to 1 cup of oil. I use vegetable oil. Okay. We're going to put in 4 eggs. And the eggs are room temperature. Okay? I had one little orange left in my fridge, and I felt like having, I didn't want to eat just the orange by itself. I wanted something to go with it. So I decided, okay, we're gonna make the cake. Oh, and the vanilla. Okay. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon. Of vanilla. Oh no, I'm gonna need this. Okay, whisk that up. Simple cake to put together. Simple ingredients. Flour, sugar, oil, eggs, vanilla, baking powder, and the orange. Actually, we gotta get not just the orange zest, but the actual orange juice from the one orange. Okay, what I'm gonna do to make life a little bit easier, I'm gonna put this orange zest right into the flour. Sorry about the sunshine coming in through the window, but hopefully you'll still be able to see what's going on here. I love the smell of that orange. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to put, this is 3 cups of flour, by the way. I put the orange zest right into the flour. Just makes it easier. Okay, now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of, no, actually, you know what? It's not 1 teaspoon. It's half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. and 3 teaspoons of the baking powder. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to blend that up. As that is forming the batter, what we're going to do now is we're going to take this orange, cut that in half. I love the smell of that orange. Oh my God. Let's get that juice going. That looks beautiful. Okay. Okay, so now I put the juice in there. We're just gonna mix it a little bit. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. And that's it. Simple. Told you, it's a simple cake. Oh, just the smell, you already know it's going to be amazing. And that's it. So my oven is ready at 350. And we're going to put this in. Beautiful. Done. See you in a bit when it's ready. Cake is ready. It's been in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes. It looks gorgeous. Look at that beauty. Okay, now let's just see. Toothpick comes out nice and clean. Beautiful. Cake is done. Now we're going to just let it sit in the pan for about 20 minutes. Let it cool down, and then we'll take it out. Oh my God, orange cake. Delicious. Oh, and just to let you know, this cake comes out a little bit more dense, but it goes perfect with a nice cup of coffee or tea. I prefer coffee. Okay, enjoy.